Back at the port, picking up some whips. I told you guys that this was Tiki Bunny's car. He's actually here from Wisconsin, I believe. This is gonna come to the Way for the Fame garage on Sunday. We're gonna put an A-Total radio. We're gonna put some H4s. I'll get my pressure washer. We can clean it up. I think he needs to swap over the battery. Maybe we'll do that today, but this thing is sick. It's a really nice car. Very clean. Love the interior. Love the wood grain. Love the fact that you can put a double din. Love that this is kind of like a taupe color. Has an RPM gauge there, which makes it a little sporty. I remember seeing a couple Optis in Japan while I was there. Oh wow, even has it here. This thing is decked out. But yeah, I remember seeing a couple of these in Japan, if you guys remember. I'll see if I can put it on the screen right now. But there was even 4-door, 4-wheel drive stick versions. And I've been on a couple of them, but sadly I didn't win. It really is like a Japanese Fiat 500. It's like a little barf. Even the exhaust, wow, I didn't even see that. Imagine this thing 6-shift and turbo. Next we got this RAV4. Battery's dead. I was gonna say maybe it has low kilometers, but this thing is sick. I saw some people saying in the comments like, who the hell would import a RAV4? First of all, it's on tri-spokes. 4-door. Has this very cool bumper. Maybe has low kilometers. Interior is in great condition. Smells good. It's probably like a special trim model. And then there's 318. I don't really know how to defend this, if I'm being honest. I mean, it's right-hand drive, so that's cool right off the bat. It's automatic, so maybe just a nice little daily. And then Jimmy, I don't know where your car is. I came here to raise the window for you, but I don't see it. That Cyborg is still here, along with the red Type R. And this S15. Where are my Honda fanboys at? Are you guys a fan of the red? Or is it just white, black, and yellow that you guys all love? Oh wow, even has a Type R key. I feel like those are valuable. 76,000 kilometers. Real clean. Love the wheels. Oh, even has this, which I think some people would definitely call ricey, but I like it. Here's the Nissan that you did. Shout out to the homie Tiki. We'll introduce him later, but here's the Nissan that I called earlier. I didn't even realize it was 4-wheel drive. Now that I'm not overwhelmed with 1,000 cars, I can actually look at some stuff. Well, this has a hood scoop, so let's pop the hood. There's no way that this is a Mazda that's stick shift, 4-wheel drive, and turbo. I just can't imagine. Imagine there's like a, I don't even know a Mazda engine that comes turbo. There's no way this is turbo though. Wow. Wow, this thing is really turbo. Wow. This thing is turbo. Wow. It's 4-wheel drive and stick shift. No, it's a Mazda FAMILIA.
Wow.
Look at the size of the intercooler. It's like KEIS spec.
Tiny, yeah.
It's like KEIS spec for this thing. I know. Even has side skirts and like a rear lip. Wow, I gotta put this on my purchase list. Next, we got a blue Acti. Got a nice fan there. Has AC. 169,000 kilometers. Fresh vegetables were maybe put in there at some point. Another Orthia. Oh wow, what's this? Oh, this is a dump? Oh yeah, I think it's a dump truck. Yeah, it's a dump. Nice. I haven't seen too many of the new generation dump trucks. This is still here. Let's check out this Acti. I'm surprised it's still here. I thought whoever bought this would have paid for it to get picked up ASAP. Maybe you gotta hit up Mendy Imports. We're picking up that Stagea, by the way, also, but maybe you gotta hit up. Wow, came with some menus. Let's see if I recognize where this is from. Nah, I never heard of Fellows. This is pretty cool. This is Domino's, I think, though, right? Oh no, it's the same place. Look at the pizza over there. This is gonna be a nice little food little segment. Look at that. Like, what is this? They got pies, full pies. Oh wait, no, it says it. This is a, oh, it's ripped off. Crazy. Crazy. Oh, this thing is mint though. Has AC also, and that. Or whatever that is. That might be like the tripometer or something. More Actis. I love those wheels. Those would look really nice on ours. Wow, even has Honda center caps. I think these wheels will look great on Project Acti. More trucks. This is still here. This green cap is still here. This one too. This one's really nice. Damn, they all have AC. Luckily, he's transitioning to the colder months. So we kind of got the car right on time. Like, I'm even wearing pants right now. This is a nice little cheap K. Shout out to my cap. Hopefully we get that resolved soon. And I don't think I showed too much of this Classic. This is really nice. 4-wheel drive, fuel injected. Love the seat pattern. Battery's not dead, which is always great. Really clean. Like the color too. Put some nice wheels on these, maybe like black wheels. Definitely go a long way. And then over there is the Jumbo and S15. So let me go back to Tiki. Actually, I'll walk over there, see if there's anything I missed. I know that Pajero Evolution is over there, but we're not showing it again. I already showed it in the last video. This is cool too. I don't think I opened this. Oh yeah, it has all the glass panels. Wonder if the dash is cracked or that's just preventative maintenance. This is cool though, nice wheels. I think I've seen that with Trials before and it looked amazing. Can't get over this though. This is by far my favorite car here. I gotta, let me actually look at the back. See what model this is called. So it's a Nissan Familia, doesn't even say. But I just need to find a 4-wheel drive turbo version. This thing's probably sick. Damn. Yeah, what a cool car. Oh wow, speaking of Savi. Yo, if you're watching this, bro, comment below. We're just talking about this yesterday. It's exactly what you want, pretty much. If the owner who imported this is selling it, maybe got a buyer for you. You wanted 4-wheel drive, you wanted white, and you wanted stick shift, and you wanted AC. 93,000 clicks. Interior's not bad. Got some maintenance done. Maybe an oil change at 90. Ooh, comes with one of those. I actually need to add that on my van ASAP. There you go, Savi. Oh, another Jumbo. I don't think I saw this one last time. 5-speed. No AC. I wouldn't say I'm shocked I haven't owned a Jumbo yet, but I'm shocked I haven't owned a Sandbar. I don't see any around, but the fact that I've owned 0 Subaru K cars in general. Sandbar, the Diaz, the Vivio, the... what else? They got a bunch of other models, but The fact that I have zero in my fleet, zero to show for. I've even owned a Delica. Like, I've owned a Delica and a Crown before I owned a Sandbar. Oh wow, these hubcaps are great. Last car before we get out of here. Meet up with the crew at the gas station. I wonder if it comes with these Recaros. It must, right? Since the backs look like that. It's like this is our third Cyborg we've seen, and each one has been completely different. Clean car. Nice little wrap. And it's ready to go. But all right, now let me head to the gas station and meet up with the other K cars. Got Lola back here chilling in the town box. Got the AC going. Got the GPS going. Car's driving amazing. I'm really hoping that I can keep this car longer than a couple weeks or a couple days, honestly, because if someone comes to me right now with, I guess 8K, realistically I would list it for like 9 most likely, and then maybe meet in the middle at 8.5. But no, I really like this thing a lot. Like, it's perfect. Like, a day like this is exactly why I don't want to keep the blue cappuccino much longer. Also, I'm kind of done with cappuccinos, and then I'm gonna have a midget. So like, I want this car to eclipse both of those. I want to keep having this and the blue Mira walk through, and those are just my 2 dailies until the Mighty Boy gets here. And then until I have like 2 other cars from Japan until they get here. Because this is just a perfect everyday car. Even if it doesn't make me a lot of content, at least I can use it every day to just make my life a little easier. Just made it to the gas station. Here's another look at the town box. Imagine that on tries. Because these rims look good, but just imagine that on, not the teddy bears. I think the teddy bears look terrible. I think the heart-shaped rims look terrible. I actually don't, oh no, I have the gold Onis. That would make this car pop. But here's one of the cars we picked up. A RS4, that's what it's called, right? Yeah, RS4S, Stagea. 4-door Skyline pretty much, and it's stick shift. Pretty clean under here. I know they suffer from the strut towers. I see some shiny parts as well. That looks new. Stagea strut bar is nice. Interior is clean. Even has a net back there. I haven't seen a Stagea with a net back there. And mind you, this has 217,000 kilometers. No sun fade. I think maybe this this window might not stay up. That might be the only imperfection, but this thing is purring. It's nice, real nice. Then we got the homie Tiki Bunny. How's it feel? Is this your first port?
This is my first port experience.
Hey.
So I've been doing this 4.5 years, and this is the first time.
And you're from Wisconsin, right?
No, I'm from Massachusetts.
Oh, well, but you live in Wisconsin.
I live in Wisconsin.
Yeah.
Crazy. That's his first one after 4 years.
I know. But there's no port by there.
There's no port.
Yeah, so.
No, I mean, everything's.
A lot of I guess a lot of the people that import stuff don't ever really come to the port.
Nah.
Yeah.
Especially us in the Midwest. Like, there's so few of us in the Midwest that it's rare. But I think I got to do this more often. Because,
no, this is sick. And you're driving this all the way back home, right? You're gonna drive it all the way back home?
Yeah, I am. Normally, I want to preserve the miles for customer cars, but because this one's mine for the foreseeable, I want to get the experience and drive it back.
Yeah. We gotta put an intake on there too.
Oh, for real.
It's so easy. You could actually just stick it to that.
This thing rattles more than a diesel.
I know, it does rattle a lot.
You think the motor mounts are fucked or what?
No, I think it's just idling very low.
Yeah.
You know, the battery's probably dead, so it's relearning all, because it's a 99.
97.
Oh, 97.
Yeah.
But it is electronic on throttle. It's probably
The thing is really sick. Hey. Shout out the hat. Wow, that plate is fire. This paint match. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is very cool.
Unfortunately, the ladies that I'm traveling with today and tomorrow, she's a mechanic. So.
Oh, nice.
They've got a left in her place. Yeah. Where are they going? Where do they go? Northeast Jersey.
Wow, you got customers all the way from here?
Dude, I got customers everywhere. I got customers in Hawaii. I got customers in California.
Nice.
Update, so I'm back home working on the Mira. I think next week I will be getting this chopped. So another project I need to figure out is how am I going to have this seat here while still having the box. So I think one suggestion was cutting that box in half.
It'd be cool if somehow we could figure out to hide it inside the box, so that you could just leave the box and then when you open it.
How would that work though? Like just have like
a top that opens and then the bottom goes down with it. Does that make sense?
No, not really. Not to me. Maybe it makes sense, but I can't see the vision.
Pretend the box is here.
Yeah, I mean I could get the box right now.
But it's relevant. The box comes out to here, right? So close this and the box is closed with it. And then you open a lid and you open this up and it goes down. So this part of the box opens down with it and this part of the box opens up. And you just flip your seat up. So then essentially you hide it in the box. Wow.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.